Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. First, we cast our eyes above Riga, Latvia. That's where one drone maker is tackling a very dangerous profession. Erones is developing large remote-controlled drones to clean wind turbines. This dirty, dangerous, and time-intensive job was traditionally handled by industrial climbers. But now, Erones is flying drones right up to the blades and blasting them with water. Its drones are rugged enough to lug as much as 200 kilograms of cleaning equipment to incredible heights in just 6 seconds. They're able to greatly reduce the downtime of wind turbines during cleaning and do it at 1/5 the cost of human climbers. It might sound like a trivial job, but keeping turbines clean can save millions of dollars to wind power operators over the life of the plant. Next, we fly to New Haven, Connecticut, where researchers have found a way to turn just about anything into a robot. You're looking at robotic skin, wires, sensors, and actuators woven into tough but flexible cloth. These skins wrap around inanimate objects and enable them to move just like a robot when stimulated with electrical and pneumatic forces. The skins are detachable and modular, so they can be used together on objects of all different shapes and sizes. The idea is to allow astronauts to create flexible robots in space rather than sending a bunch of expensive robots along with them. The skins can also be worn by the astronauts to help them move more easily in space and perform complicated tasks. Talk about out-of-this-world thinking. And finally, we find ourselves in the Netherlands for a technological twist on management training. Emotional intelligence is highly sought after in business circles, but it doesn't come naturally to everyone. Well, a company called Tailspin is using virtual reality to teach people these critical skills. It creates lifelike human avatars fused with artificial intelligence to simulate difficult interpersonal situations. These avatars speak conversationally, react in real time, and display realistic emotions like sadness and anger. Human employees can use the platform to practice dealing with these tense scenarios in a professional and empathetic manner. That will raise their emotional intelligence and make them better leaders in the workplace. It's an immersive and engaging learning experience that beats studying from a textbook any day. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.